Breath.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः साध्वी विक्रयकृद्बन्धपालः केसरी विक्रयी तप्तलोहे पतन्त्येते यश्च भक्तं परित्यजेत् स्नुषां सुतां चापि गत्वा महाज्वाले निपात्यते अवमन्ता गुरूणां यो यश्च आक्रोष्टा नराधमः वेददूषयिता यश्च वेदविक्रयिकः च यः अगम्यगामी यश्च स्यात् ते यान्ति लवणं द्विज चोरो विलोहे पतति मर्यादा दूषकस्तथा So we are Naraka Varnanamatra Prachalat Asti. So we are describing the different kinds of Narakas. There are 28 in number that has been mentioned by Parashara here. But he also says there are other Sahasrashaha Narakaha Santi iti. There are some thousands of Narakas like this depending on the kind of crime that people have performed or people can think of. You know, there are even crimes can be in a very creative manner, because if you don't use your creativity in a positive manner, then that creativity goes in a crooked manner and it becomes a devil's workshop, right? So there are so many different kinds of crimes that can be performed by people. So this is that's why he says thousands. He ends this in the 30th shloka by saying that there are thousands of such narakas, because people can perform thousands of different crimes here. We'll have to start from the 15th shloka here. देवद्विज पितृद्वेष्टा रत्नदूषयिता च यः स याति कृमिभक्षे वै कृमीशे च दुरिष्टकृत् Deva Dvija Pitru Dveshta. One who has a dvesha, one who has a hatred towards Deva, gods, Dvija, Brahmins, Pitru, ancestors, this person. So Yaha Etesham Dveshta, Etam, those who hates all of these people. Ratna Dushayita, one who Dushayitana, it's not one who abuses a gem, but it's more like a person who creates bad impurities in gems. That is a person who tries to sell or tries to give some impure gems, right? So, Saha Ratna Dushayita iti. Yaha Devadvija Pitrudveshta, Ratna Dushayita, Durishta Kriti Chayaha, Durishta Kriti Ishtam is Yagam. Durishtam is a bad kind of yaga, which is Abhicharika Prayoga, Abhichara Karta iti. Using black magic and all. They are doing yagas with a bad intent in mind, and the result they want is also very harmful. With an evil intent, they perform the yagas. So, Saha. Krimi bhakshe yati krimi shecha. So these three or these two, Deva Dvija Pitrudveshta Ratna Dushayita cha krimi bhakshe yati. Krimi bhaksham is one who is being eaten by krimigal, worms. So tadrishe narake saha gacchati. Krimishe nama narake durishtakrit gacchati. Krimisha becomes even more better. The worms are the lords there, and they have to decide what kind of judgment has to be passed on this person who does abhichara prayogam. So this is more like krimayaha eva tatra ishaha vartante iti. So krimishe narake durishtakriti yati. A person who performs abhicharika prayogam goes to the naraka called krimisha. पितृदेव आतिथीं त्यक्त्वा पर्यश्नाति नराधमः लालाभक्षे स याति उग्रे शरकर्ता च वेधके. Pitrudevan Athitimscha Tyaktva, one who forsakes or rejects Pitru, ancestors, Deva, Atithi. So these are all the different balis that you do first before having food yourself. First you have to give Pitrudanam, which is Balidanam. Kakaiki chapadu podrom. We give for the crow. That is the first thing. Ingellam vandu crow allam kadayadu. So it is very difficult. But this is all academic knowledge நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா?
But you can put bird seeds, no? You can put
bird seeds டெஃபினட்டாக போடலாம், கண்டிப்பாக போடலாம். அதெல்லாம் they are all different forms of ancestors, definitely. So பித்ரு, அதிதி, தேவ. தேவ இத்துக்தே நைவேத்தியம். அதிதி, you always offer an அதிதி first. இந்த நாயன்மார்கள் கதையில் there is one நாயன்மார் who would always wait until he gives food for a Shiva Bhakta and then only he will eat. One day Shiva himself comes as an Athithi there and he says, I will go take a bath and then come. Madri Ardu. It's very similar to Ambarisha's story. So, Pitru Deva Atithina Tyaktva Yaha Paryashnati, one who eats without even offering these three people first. Saha Nara Adhamaha, he is the lowest among the men. Saha Lala Bhakshe Yati, he goes to this Narakam called Lala Bhaksha. Lala Bhakshana, one who eats the சலைவாங்கிறது அர்த்தம். நம்ம லாலானாலே சலைவா. உக்ரே ஷரகர்த்தா, உக்ரே வேதகே நாம ஷரகர்த்தாச்ச யாதி. ஷரகர்த்தா, ஒன் ஹூ கிரியேட்ஸ் பானம், arrows. One who is a creator of arrow, that is one who constructs arrows, because that he becomes indirectly responsible for a lot of people to be killed, right? So one who constructs arrows, he goes to this narakam called Vedhaka. Ugre Vedhake Narake Saha Yati. He goes to this Narakam which is very terrible, Ugram, which is very cruel, and Vedhaka. Vedhaka is always something which pierces. So Vedhakam Vedhayati, Manina Vedayati iti. One who pierces the gems to make a garland, right? So Vedhakaha. The Narakam itself is called Vedhakam. Karoti karninaha yahacha yascha khadgadikritu naraha prayanti ete vishasane narake brishadarune. Yaha karninaha karoti. Karni is a bana vishesham. This is in the shape of the ear. It is a kind of different kind of arrow which pierces people. It's a very more the kodayara madri irukakudiyadha irukum. I don't know. So, yascha khadgadikritu naraha, one who makes swords. Te ete brisha darune vishasane narake prayanti. These people go to the narakam called Vishasana, which is extremely cruel. Tatra prayanti. Asat pratigrahita tu narake yati adhomukhe ayajya yajakaha chaiva tatha nakshatra suchakaha. Asat pratigrahita, one who asat pratigrahita na idla podla or nimsham path sollirren. One who supports asat. Pratigrahanam is always one who gives a support to a person who is asat, right? Adane. So yaha dhanasangraham dushita upayaihi dhanasangraham karoti tam tasya adaram tasya ashrayi bhutaha yaha bhavati. So asat is a person who earns money through bad means. Pratigrahita is someone who accepts such a bad person. So asat pratigrahita. Adhomukhe narake yati. He goes to the narakam called Adhomukam, where I think the talagida tongarthu, upside down. You will probably be hung upside down. Ayajya yajakaha. Idella vandu you are actually supporting doing things opposite. Adanala you are probably put upside down there, right? Ayajya yajakaha, one who performs yagam for people. One who performs things which should not be done, like Shiena Yagam. These are all something like Shatru Nashakaya, Abhicharikam, but in the same, but more than that, it is something you are performing sacrifices which should not be performed. Ayajya Yajakaha. Nakshatra Suchakaha is a Nakshatra Upajivi, one who just, without even knowing the signs of stars, he simply randomly it says, I know Jyosyam, there are so many Jyotishas who are there today who don't know anything about the Nakshatra Vidya, but they talk, you can see YouTube is flooded with such people here. Many people are fine because they know only a common palan. They don't know specifics in that. Nakshatra Suchakaha is a person who uses this Nakshatra Vidya in a wrong manner, and he also earns money out of saying things in a wrong way, not understanding the science behind the whole thing. Ete sarve tu adhomukhe narake gachanti. Vegi puyavahe cha ekaha yati mishtanna bhuk naraha. Vegi sahasakartha, one who does not think at all. Achintya kriya. He does not think before he does anything, and he just rushes forward into doing things. That is a vegi. Doesn't understand the consequences of everything. Tadrishaha. Obviously, he also doesn't understand what action will hurt which person, right? So he goes to this narakam called Puyavaha. Puya is always fetid things, putrid stuff, all, like fecal matter, etc., etc. Tatha asti tan narakam. So Puyavahe narake saha vegi gacchati. Na kevalam saha yaha cha mishtanna bhuk naraha ekaha mishtanna bhuk vartate saha api puyavahe jati gacchati. So the person who eats mishtanna bhuk, one who eats sweets, ekaha, alone. This is mainly putradina vanchayitva. Generally the kids would love to eat sweets. So you're cheating them of sweets and you're eating alone. Then you go to this narakam called Puyavaham. Laksha mamsa rasanam cha tilanam lavanasya cha vikreta brahmanaha yati tammeva narakam dvija. Hey dvija, a brahmana, one who is born in this kulam of brahmana kulam, if he becomes a vikreta, if he sells these things, then he goes to narakam. Laksha is wax, mamsa meat, rasam any kind of this thing, spices, or rasa can be any kind of juices also. So he sells these things, then he goes to narakam. Okay. Tilam is sesame seeds, lavana salt, lavanasya cha vikreta. A Brahmin who is a seller of wax, meat, rasam, juices or spices, tila, sesame seed and salt, he goes to this narakam. Tammeva narakam yati, puyavaha narakam eva yati. You bring that here. So he goes to the same naraka as earlier. Marjara kukkuta chaga shva varaha vihangamana poshayan narakam yati tameva dvijasattama. I think it's correct. Yes. So marjara kukkuta chaga shva varaha vihangamana poshayan tameva narakam yati dvijasattama. Here also we take in brahmana as an adjective here. A Brahmin who nurtures these things. That is a Brahmin who nurtures, who grows, who has in their house a cat, who grows a cat, kodi, kukkuta, rooster, chaga, chaga is aad, goats, shva, dog, varaha, boar, vihangamaha, birds, poshayan, if he nurtures these animals and birds, then he goes to the same Puyavaha nama narake yati. Dvijasattama. Dvijasattama is an adjective to Maitreya here. The next one is
So வீட்ல நாய் வெச்சிருக்கிறவா எல்லாரும் வீட்ல நாய் வெச்சிட்டு
கண்டிப்பா நாய் பூனை வெச்சிட்டு இருக்கிறவெல்லாம் போவான்னு போட்டிருக்கு. அவ்வளவுதான். இதெல்லாம் அதான் சொல்கிறேனே, யூ ஜஸ்ட் டேக் இட் வித் அன் அகடமிக் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். இன்னைக்கு வந்து பல விஷயங்கள் நம்ம பண்ணுறதை பார்த்தா வி ஹாவ் டு கோ டு அட்லீஸ்ட் 4 or 5 ஆஃப் தீஸ் நரகாஸ் இஸ் வாட் ஐ ஃபீல். இட்ஸ் ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ரங்கோபஜீவி கைவர்த்தः कुण्डाशी गरदः तथा सूची माशिकः चैव पर्वकारी च यो द्विजः. यः द्विजः ब्राह्मणः, the Brahmin who lives by stage. Ranga Upajeevi. Ranga is lives on stage. He gets his salary or he gets his living by displaying things on a stage. So you can take it as entertainment or performers like artists or cinema, stage, anything, drama artists, malladayah, wrestlers. These are all the people who live by entertaining other people on a stage. So Rangopajeevi. Kaivartaha is a fisherman. Kundashi is a very peculiar word, a very specific word. Kundaha ityukte patyau jivati sati. When your husband is alive, jarat jataha kundaha. An illegitimate child is kundaha. Jaraha is a illicit lover, is called jaraha. So patyau jivati sati, when your husband is alive, if there is an illicit affair and a son is born, that son is called kundaha. Kundashi tadanna bhoji. If he earns money and if he provides food and the mother eats or the father eats, then that person or anybody eats, then that person is called kundashi. Garadaha, one who gives poison to another person. Garam dadati, garam dadati, visham dadati. Suchi also is Pishunahana. Pishunahana, it's an evil intent person, mainly with respect to ஒன்று கிடக்க ஒன்று, இங்கே ஒன்று சொல்லி அங்கே ஒன்று சொல்கிறது இருக்குல்ல, அதுதான் த்விஜிஹ்வஹா இத்தியர்த்தா. அமரே வித்யதே அமரகவசே. த்விஜிஹ்வஹான forked tongue. That is, he can speak both ways. He will split people. Paraspara bheda sheelaha. He creates division between people. One who creates division between people and splits others, that person is called a suchi. Dvijihvaha ityukte, snake is also correct, but one who behaves like, அதாவது இந்த கூட இருந்தே குழி பறிக்கிறதும்போ, அதெல்லாம் இந்த இந்த சூச்சிங்கிற இதில் தான் வருது. பருவகாரீச்ச மாஷிகः மாஹிஷகः, சாரி மாஹிஷகः மஹிஷ உபஜீவி. One who lives, a dvija, a Brahmin who lives out of the earnings from a buffalo, mahisha. So mahishakah. Parvakari. Parvakari here is dhanadi lobhena aparvasu amavasyadi kriya pravartakah. So one who performs rituals not on that particular day, but aparvasu, when that particular ritual is not at all there. Like, say for example, tomorrow is Amavasya. Someone says, tomorrow I am not free, I have office, can you come today and do Amavasya Tarpanam for me? And this Brahmin comes and does it for him, then he is a Parvakari. Aparvasu Amavasyadi Kriya Pravartakah. One who does this Kriya, Amavasya Kriya, etc., or any Kriya, let's say even a puja which has to be done only on that particular day, he comes on a weekend and does it, yajamanasya saukaryam uddishya tatra yadi karovati tarhi saha parvakari iti bhavati. So these are all applicable for Brahmins actually. So Rangopajeevi, Kaivartaha, Kundashi, Garadaha tatha, Suchi, Mahishakaha chaiva, Parvakari cha yo dvijaha. These people also go to the same narakam, the Puyavaha. Tamyeva narakam yanti. Agara dahi mitraghnaha.
A Brahmin, if he takes the stage to entertain others, it
yes.
is for the Brahmins. Okay.
Yes. Agara dahi.
Sorry, அப்ப உபன்யாசகம்லாம் கொடுக்கறாளே அவெல்லாம் கூட they are taking the stage இல்லையே?
இல்லை அது வந்து தட்சிணை தான் வாங்கிப்பா. those who are upanyasakas, they are not supposed to do it for a வேத்தனம். அது வரது அடுத்தது. they are not supposed to do it for a salary. இந்த முன்னாடியே வந்து பேசி வச்சுட்டு you give me 10,000 I will do this உபன்யாசம்னா அது இல்லை. த்விஜஹா who does pravachanam or an upanyasa, if he just takes the amount that is being given as a dakshina, that comes within pratigraham. Dana pratigrahe vartate. Yeah. There are 6 works for a Brahmin. Yajanam, yajanam, adhyanam, adhyapanam, danam, pratigraha. So, yajanam, yajanam, he performs yagas for the goodness of everybody, and yajanam, he does it for one yajamana, not for many yajamanas. If in the samashtiya there are some 10 people who are doing sankalpam, and for all those 10 people together he is performing one yagam, then that is a bahuyajyaha. He is actually called an abrahmana. Abrahmananne 6 பேர் சொல்றான் இதுல வருது.
மியூசிக்கல் பெர்ஃபார்மர்ஸ்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியல என்ன நிறைய பேர்.
No, musical performer, but he is a Brahmin musical performer.
If he is a Brahmin musical performer, he should only take it as a pratigraha.
For the Vetana, if he is doing, he is supposed to be, yeah.
He goes to one narakam.
Wow. Wow.
நம்ம என்ன பண்றது? சொல்றது புராணம் சொல்றது, நான் சொல்றேன். We can't pass judgment on people today. அப்படிதான் எடுத்துக்கணும் அதை. So, agara dahi mitraghnaha shakunihi grama yajakaha rudhirandhe patanti ete somam vikrinate cha ye. Ye somam vikrinate, those who sell alcohol, they go to this narakam called rudhirandha. They are completely blinded by blood. So, rudhirandhe patanti. They fall into this narakam called Rudiranda. Others who also fall into this narakam are Agara Dahi, one who destroys a home in the torching, arson, right? One who burns down an entire home, Agara Dahi. Mitraghnaha, one who kills a friend. Shakunihi. Shakunihi is Shakunam, Shakuna Shastram. Shubha, Ashubha, Nimitta, Shakuna, Upajivi. ಶುಭ ನಿಮಿತ್ತಂ ಅಶುಭ ನಿಮಿತ್ತಂ ಉಕ್ತ್ವಾ ವೇತನಾಯ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪಣತಕ್ಕಾಗ ಧನಲೋಭೇನ ಯಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಂ ಕರೋತಿ ತಮೇವ ಅತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶುಭ ನಿಮಿತ್ತಂ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶುಭ ಶಕುನಂ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಶುಭ ನಿಮಿತ್ತಂ, ಅಶುಭ ಶಕುನಂ, and he depends on his living because of this. He is a shakunihi. Grama yajakaha, this is one of the abrahmanas that I said. 6 பேர் சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, அதில் one of them is grama yajakaha. Gramasya nana varnanam yajakaha apakrishta vipraha. A Brahmin who performs for different varnas, for everybody. Anybody and everybody. He doesn't even look at the background of the person for whom he performs this yagam. Then he becomes a person called Grama Yajakaha. இந்த 6 பேர் சொன்னேன்னு. அப்ராஹ்மணாஸ்து ஷட் புரோக்தாக ரிஷினா தத்துவவேதினா மகாபாரதத்தில் இருக்கு. ஆத்யஹ, the first person is a person who receives salary from a king. ஆத்யஹ ராஜபிருதஹ. தேஷாம் த்விதீயஹ kraya vikrayi, one who sells and one who is in business, one who sells and buys. He is also an abrahmana. A brahmana who does these things is called an abrahmana. Bahu yajyaha, one and the samashti yagam sonnene, that is a bahu yajyaha is the third one. Chaturthaha grama yajakaha, this is the 4th kind. The 5th one is bhritaha tesham gramasya nagarasya, one who is in general he receives salary from the entire village or from the nagaram. இந்த ஐஏஎஸ் படிச்சுட்டு கலெக்டர் உத்தியோகத்தில் இருக்கிறது, all these people come under the 5th category of abrahmana. The 6th one is the person who does not perform sandhya vandanam for 3 times. Syaha purvam sadityam paschimam na upasita dvijaha sandhyam saha shashtaha abrahmanaha smritaha. இதெல்லாம் சொல்றது எதுக்குன்னா, ஏதஸ்மை பிரதத்தம் தானாதிகம் நிஷ்பலம் பவதி. when we give danam to such brahmanas, people who come to do yaga yajnas for us in our homam pandrathuku, those people who come to our homes, they have a bank job in the morning and then they do this in the evening or something like that, then when we give danam to such Brahmins, it is a nishphalam bhavati iti. So grama yajakaha रुधिरांदे पतन्ति एते सोमं विक्रीणते च ये मखः ग्रामहन्ता च याति वैतरिणीं नरः मखः one who destroys makha yagam, like how Subahu Marichan and all did, right? So makaha gramahanta, one who razes down villages completely. When there are conquerors who come in, they completely destroy villages totally, right? That's how they conquer. They used to conquer before. So Grama Hanta, one who kills an entire village. Saha Vaitaranim Yati. Vaitarani is, usually they say Vaitarani is the river, but Vaitarani is also the name of Narakam here. It is a river that you cross to go to Patalam. That is also there. Huh? Ama. It is the river that is between Bhumi and Idu. Retav Patadi Kartaraha Maryada Bhedinaha hi ye te Krishne Yanti Ashauchaha Kuhaka Jivinaha cha ye. Ye Ashauchaha, those who are not hygienic by nature, and Kuhaka Ajivinaha, those who live by cheating others, Vanchayitva, Indrajaladikam, magic, idella, those who always constantly keep cheating others and live by cheating others, Kuhaka Ajivinaha. Retav Patadi Kartaraha, those who randomly have affairs, Maryada Bhedinaha. Maryada Bhedi is Kshetradi Sima Atikrama Karinaha. If you have your plot, this is the fence. Some people, or the aradi thalli vepadrimo fence alla. They will increase their boundary by just a half a feet to ensure that they have more property. Idella vandu Maryada Bhedinaha. Those who destroy that seema that is due for them. Or even in fields, if usually it is not demarcated, it is just randomly it goes on ஒரு சத்தியத்துல போயிட்டு இருக்கும் இல்லையா, சத்தியத்துக்கு கட்டுப்பட்டு போறதும் போலையா அந்த மாதிரி it just goes on a basis of mutual trust. But if you destroy that trust, then those people are called Maryada Bhedinaha. They go to this Yanti, te Krishne Yanti, they go to this Narakam called Krishna. Probably very dark and you don't know what is happening there. Asipatra vanam yati vanachedi vrithaiva yaha aurabhrikaha mrigavyadhaha vannijvale patanti vai. Vanachedi asipatra vanam yati. Yaha vrithaiva vanachedi, one who destroys a forest unnecessarily, then he goes to this Narakam called Asipatra Vanam. It is a forest filled with the Asipatra. Asipatra na sword. He goes to a forest of swords. One who destroys forests without any reason. I think this is what I need to take in Shivalila Arnavam. When Madurai was built for the first time, Kulashekara Pandya, in Kulashekara Pandya's dream, Parameshwara comes and tells him that I have been in this forest for a long time in Kadambavanam. I want a beautiful city there and a temple for myself. So you remove that forest there and build a temple and build your city around it and be there. So this comes in the dream of a Vaishya who roams around also comes to this Kadambavanam. He sees all the devas performing puja during Somavaram. He sees them performing he is given divine sight by Parameshwara, and then he witnesses this divine puja that happens, wherein all the devas, siddhas and gandharvas all come to this Kadambavanam and they perform puja for Sundarlingam. The lingam that is there is called Sundaresha. So when this Dhananjaya, who is that Vaishya who sees this, he goes back to his village. He goes to the king who is ruling then, who is Kulashekara Pandya. He tells him that this is the divine sight that I saw. So there is a Swayambhu Lingam in the forest. Then that night, Kulashekara also has a dream, and then Parameshwara appears in his dream to tell him that, I want this thing built here, a city, a temple and a city built here. So then Kulashekara Pandya, he removes that entire forest and he builds. That is not Vrithaiva Vanachedi. I was thinking, how could he destroy so many trees, and I couldn't condone that at all. But this sort of of course, I took it as Parameshwara's Agnya, then definitely you can do it. But then this also gives an authority, Pramanam, in a different way, that if you destroy a forest Vrithaiva, without any rhyme or reason, then you go to this Narakam called Asipatravanam, which is a forest full of swords. The other people who also, the next one is Vannijwala. Vannijwala is Jwala, flames of fire. This is the name of another Narakam. To this Naraka, people like Aurabhrikaha and Mrigavyadhaha, these two people go there. Aurabhrikaha, Urabraha is a sheep. Urabraha Panyam Asya, one who rears sheep for the sake of selling its wool or even meat. He grows, he rears a sheep only for this Panyam. Panyarthameva saha poshayanna vartate iti saha aurabhrikaha. So a person who lives by using the sheep as a panya vastu, something to sell. So Mesha Vikraya Upajivi, Aurabhrikaha. The second one is Mrigavyadhaha, a hunter who constantly hunts deer or any animal and sells and gets money, lives out of that animal. They both go to this Vannijwala. Yanti ete dvija tatraiva yecha apakeshu vannidaha. This I can't understand at all. Apakeshu. You take pots which are not pakvam. That is something which is kacha. So raw pots, you have made those pots. You have to put it in fire for it to become solid and usable. Right? So apakeshu vannidaha, those who provide vanni or throw fire onto these unbaked clay, etc. Unbaked stuff. Apakeshu in general solidar. So anything that is not cooked, if you are throwing it in fire, the suttu vekkirathellamo adhe dana ennan theriyala. So te tatraiva yanti, Vannijwale yanti. Those people also go to that. Adadu, when you go to Vanaprastha ashrama, you are supposed to eat whatever you get. You don't cook and eat. So cooking itself is supposed to be it will take you to these narakas. That's what academic interest. That's why in Vanaprastha ashrama it is given that you have to eat kandamulam, phalam, ityadikam, without even harming the trees and everything, those which just fall down or which are about to fall down. Thotta abde kaila vandrum. And the madri, you only eat those things that you get. Right? So tatraiva yanti, they also go to this Vannijwala. Vratanam lopakaha yascha swa ashramat vichutaha cha yaha sandamsha yatana madhye patataha tau ubhau api. Both of these people fall, patataha, they fall into, in the middle of this yatana nama narakam. So they fall into this narakam called sandamsha, biting narakam. They fall into this narakam called Sandamsha. Who are these two people? One is Yaha Vratanam Lopakaha. One who starts off a Vratam and then he leaves it off halfway in the middle. Vrata Lopakaha. Lopanale absent. Right? So Vratanam Lopakaha ityukte, one who forsakes a Vratam midway. Swa Ashramat Vichutaha. One who does not do the duties that are due for his ashrama. Ashrama is either brahmacharya, grahastha ashrama, or vanaprastha whichever ashrama you are supposed to be in, if you do not do those duties and you skip that ashrama, or you you slip away from the dharma of your ashramam, then these two people go to this narakam called sandamsha. Vratanam lopako yascha swa ashramat vichutaha cha yaha sandamshayatana madhye patataha tau ubhau api. दिवा स्वप्ने च स्कन्दन्ते ये नराः ब्रह्मचारिणः पुत्रैः अध्यापिता ये च ते पतन्ति श्वभोजने. Shvabhojanam nama, those who are eaten by dogs. This is another narakam called Shvabhojanam. Those people, ye naraha brahmacharinaha, when they are brahmachari, divaswapne, they dream during daytime. That is, they sleep during daytime. Brahmacharis are not supposed to sleep during the daytime at all. They wake up in the morning and then go to sleep at night. That's all. So they are not supposed to sleep during the day, and hence they don't dream also during the day. Diva swapne, in their dream, ye brahmacharinaha skandante. Skandante is, there is a seminal discharge there. So they dream about different things, and automatically the semen discharge happens. Then because they are celibates, they are not supposed to think about all these things. And if that happens, they go to this narakam called Shvabhojanam. The next set of people is very interesting. Ye putraihi adhyapitaha. Those who have been taught by the children. The parents should be the ones teaching the children, but in today's world, we are being taught by the children. What do we do? Technology is something that we don't know. But I would take this as dharma. Dharma is something that only parents teach the children. That's how it should be. It should not be the reverse, that the children teach the parents about dharma. Definitely Shiva is a very big question, but Shiva is not Manushya. He was not born in Bhumi for us to put him under this category.
Also, so, is not a, Brahmin. Yeah, they are specifically talking about.
Illa, idu Brahmin matram illa.
Illa, ellarkum.
Adu aiduthu. Adu aiduthu.
Okay.
Ama. So, Shivan Brahmin da. Shivan is the only.
Inga brahmacharinaha potrukku illaya, adanal.
Adu vera. Putraihi adhyapitahangiradhu brahmacharikku varade.
Yarukku venam. Okay.
இல்லையா? புத்திரைஹி அத்தியாபிதாக. பிரம்மச்சாரியா இருந்தா அவனுக்கு எங்கே இந்த புத்திரன்? அவனுக்கு கிடையாது. So அதனால புத்திரைஹி அத்தியாபிதாக, one who put themselves in a position where the children are advising about dharma. That is not the case, because the parents should be well versed in all these things and they should be examples to the children. தர்ம விஷயமா எடுத்துப்போம். டெக்னாலஜின்னு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இன்னைக்கு நமக்கு வந்து சின்ன குழந்தை கூட பேரம் பேத்தி கூட நமக்கு சொல்லி தருவோம். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. என்ன பண்றது? இல்லை, திவா ஸ்வப்னே ச ஸ்கந்தந்தே ஏ நராஹ பிரம்மச்சாரிணஹ புத்ரைஹி அத்தியாபிதாஹ ஏ ச பதந்தி ஸ்வபோஜனே. These people go into ஸ்வபோஜனம். With this, the description of all the narakam is done. ஏதே ச अन्ये च नरकाः शतशः अथ सहस्रशः. These 28 plus hundreds of others, thousands of other narakaha santi. There are so many different kinds of narakas. Yeshu dushkrita karmanaha pachyante yatana gataha. Yatana shariram dhritva ye yatanam prati gataha. Those who have taken on this yatana shariram, that is, they take on this special body, they are given this special body to experience all of these different kinds of narakas, right? So, and they have gone to this yatana narakam. Dushkrita karmanaha, those who have performed unimaginable crimes, you know, dushkrita, any kind of crime that they have performed, pachyante. Yeshu pachyante, in where they go and they are being tortured, அதாவது they are being cooked ன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை, பச்சியந்தே. மோர் தென் தட் என்னென்னா பக்குவம்னா பக்குவம் அடையறதுக்காக இங்கே போய் அனுபவிக்கணும்னு பேர். they are supposed to become mature after going through all of these things. The process of paka itself is something that is raw. You take it and you mature it in a format that is easily digestible. That is paka, right? So manushyaah api atra narakeshu pachyante iti chet, they come here, they experience all of these things, and they, in some way or the other, they have to fear performing that crime again. That is the maturity that we have to achieve or strive for. Yeshu evam pachyante naraha te anye cha narakaha santi. There are so many different kinds of narakas for people to mature out of. Narayanam namaskritya naranjaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayamudirayeet.